We at Ape Alliance are super excited for the upcoming UN Climate Change Conference of the Parties, COP26. The climate talks will bring together heads of state, climate experts and campaigners to agree coordinated action to tackle climate change, one of the biggest and most important issues that we are facing. But how does our work in ape conservation and welfare relate to climate change? As you might know, most apes and most primates live in rainforests. Rainforests are often described as the lungs of our planet because of all the oxygen they produce and the large volume of carbon that they capture and store. Apes are essential parts of these forest ecosystems, and we all benefit from the ecosystem services they provide, for example, their role in driving rainfall worldwide. The three largest areas of rainforest are in Central Africa, home to chimpanzees and gorillas, Southeast Asia, home to gibbons and orangutans, and South America, home to many other primates such as spider monkeys. Apes eat a lot of plants, for example fruits, leaves, stems and roots. When these plants pass through the ape's digestive system, their seeds will remain intact. When the ape poos, these seeds are then deposited back into the forest alongside nature's fertilizer, dung. Think about it. We fertilize agricultural crops with manure, but this system has been around since before agriculture was even thought of.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Ça c'est tende.
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 So, a little bonobo that was just moving in the trees there, reaching out, hanging upside down, was eating this fruit, which is called tende in the local language. I don't know what the scientific name is yet. But I can tell you, it's a little tart, but it's actually very good, lovely flavour, intense flavour. And of course the bonobos probably swallow those seeds. And so I'm sure that they will be involved in the seed dispersal for this species of tree. Oh yes, it's quite astringent, but very good.
During this digestion process, the ape will have moved away from the original plant, dispersing the seeds to new areas. Apes face many threats in the wild, in particular habitat loss, hunting for bushmeat or totems, and capture for the pet trade. When we take an ape out of the wild, we lose all the things they do to help the ecosystem. We also lose their future potential for having babies. Each female ape could have up to around 8 babies in her lifetime, who will all contribute to helping the ecosystem function. Those offspring could go on to have babies themselves, and so on. Apes are slow breeding, and so they do not replenish their wild populations quickly. If we conserve ape habitat, we will automatically help the apes by saving their forest home. This way, we can look after apes whilst keeping our planet's atmosphere healthy.